So today we're going to be cleaning out this garden bed and planting some more lettuce. Let me bring you guys down so you can actually see. So we have romaine lettuce growing in this section right here. So I'm just going to add some more to the garden bed. This year I plan on eating more salads and leafy green vegetables. Trying to get this weight up off me, this gut. I will be 50. Oh, gosh. And next year. So, yeah. Got to do better with my eating habits. I'm gonna be in the hashtag 50 club. Drop down below. Let me know how many of y'all are 50 already. All right. So I'm gonna plant a row right here. And I probably shouldn't be because of the heat of the day, but we're gonna do it anyway. It's cool outside. It's not like 80 degrees. It's about 65, 70. So I'm gonna grab some lettuce from over in this bed over here and transplant it over here. So I got some young and tenders right here. And what I'm really trying to do is thin out that bed over there, because I did have a romaine lettuce in there and a winter seed, and it dropped all the seeds in there, and it's full of little baby lettuce plants. Is that one or two? I think that's one. Made another row right here. That's our first row, and we're gonna make another row here, and we're gonna plant some more lettuce in this section here. Okay, and I tried to get the smallest ones. have not been too successful with growing lettuce. So hopefully this year I can change that. All right, and then we're gonna do one more row. Right here. And y'all see how moist that soil is underneath there? Okay. I'm just gently pulling them apart and placing them in there. Oh, we got a bee. Look like a wasp. It is a wasp. Oh, and then we got a worm. A little baby worm. So we got way more lettuce on this side. I'm gonna thin it out a little bit. I'm going to put this one over here. Move this one. Oh, that one is broken. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right, one more row. Woo! God dog it. I just cannot be great in my garden. Look at here. You're about to become extinct. All right, one right there. And we need 4 more. Okay, so we got one, it's a pretty big one. And the rest are small. 2, 3, and 4. This thing don't go ahead. All right, so that's the last of the rows that we're gonna do today. And I'm not gonna water them in because it's hot outside. Well, the sun is shining. It's 1 o'clock right now. The sun is almost at its highest. So we're going to wait. And I decided to do one more roll. All right, so now we're at another row. That was broken. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Let me grab 2 more. Okay, so I got 2 more. It's 4 and 5. All right, so that is it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more rows of lettuce that we just planted in. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you are growing in your garden. Let me know what zone you're in. Represent your grow zone. And until I see you in the next video, I'm SalonDivaV in the place to be, y'all. My garden. You know what it is. Peace.